Good job.
Higher.
It doesn't go any higher, baby. That's as high as it goes.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one doesn't have any pedals, huh? There's no pedals on that one, baby. You gotta push it with your feet. That's a big bouncy ball, huh? Try one there. Try that one. That one's better bouncy ball. There you go. Okay, throw it to Daddy. Good job. Not right now, buddy. Ask me another day, all right? Oh, good throw. Here, throw me the next one. Oh, Daddy missed that one. Okay, are you going to catch it? Daddy's going to throw it to you. Good catch. Oh, try putting the other one down first. Put them back in the shell. And then I'll throw you this one. Okay, you ready? Are you ready to catch?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Oh, hit you on the nose, huh? Oh, good catch. Man, you did a good job. Those ones are pretty bouncy, yeah. Go ahead, bounce it. Oh, whoa. Good catch for Daddy, huh? Go ahead. Man, you're a very good thrower. Oh, are you okay?